Welcome back to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. Remember, make sure that you're logged in. So therefore you can subscribe and please hit the bell so you know what the next move is going to be. Remember, I teach you crypto chess. I teach you the next move. Now, I went over the Fed as far as the weekend. They're only going to be pumping 47 billion. They're not going to pump again until Tuesday, and they're only going to do 25 billion. Now, what does that mean for crypto? Remember, the stock market and the crypto are intertwined. Don't think they're any different, because they're not. Because eventually the stock market is going to be moved over to blockchain. So that's what XRPL is going to be. Remember, you're going to be able to attach it to anything. There's nothing going to be but an IOU. So when we look at the stock market, right now, if they're only going to be pumping 25 billion, of course, the earnings are weak. You had SpaceX, you had Tesla, which skyrocketed off of no earnings. Just remember that, guys. They're just skyrocketing off potential earnings, what they can earn. Same way Uber and Lyft. Now, Uber and Lyft are going to be big companies because, of course, we're going automation. So you're not going to have anybody driving the car anyway, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything. So as far as long term, they're going to be big. But right now, they haven't made any profit. They're in debt. So when we look at cryptos, this week we're going to range anywhere from 1 to 3%. And then plus you have Bakkt, which of course is going to dump. But we're still going to range between ups and downs 1 and 3%. We don't have that same liquidity. Just like I said, they dropped it. Last month we did 160. This month they're doing 100. And then plus they're spreading it out. At first they were doing every day, pumping it every single day. Now they're doing 1 day, 3 days, 4 days. So we're not getting, just like I said, we're not getting that same liquidity pump. Now, of course, with stocks, if you look at stocks, and if you're invested in stocks and cryptos like me, you have 3 scenarios that are going on. You have the narratives. Remember, I teach you about the narratives. The narratives, you have the coronavirus, which only thing they have to do is come on TV. Oh, it's been more cases. Stock market is going to come down. So you have the coronavirus, you have the cyber attacks, and then you have the Fed. So, and we don't know exactly what the Fed is going to do at the end of the year, whether they're going to lower rates or not. Of course, lowering rates would help the stock market. If they don't, of course, earnings, either way, the stock market is going to go down towards the end of the year because earnings are going to be horrible. Remember, I said we're not going to take that real pump in crypto until May, when that first quarter earnings come out, because they're going to be so weak. Now, remember I told you that 84% of the stock market is owned by the top 10%. So they've been doing buybacks to buy their own company. So there is no such thing as a publicly traded stock market. They spent trillions of dollars doing buybacks. Remember GE? GE, when I was growing up, was one of the biggest companies out there. They did buybacks with options, and they raked the company. Look at Sears, same thing. They raked the company. So you have to stay ahead of the game. Remember that we are going to go through a stock market crash, but it's going to be a little different because you have blockchain. Don't forget, guys, is that you can always take debt and turn it into equity. Don't forget about that. You can take debt. I have $22 trillion in debt. I can flip it, turn to equity, and sell it back to the people through blockchain and crypto. I just want you to think about it, because they can easily do that, and that's looked like it's going what it's going toward. Because everybody's looking towards a stock market crash like normal. It's not going to be like normal, because remember, they own it all now. It's not like they only own 40, 50%, and you really had publicly traded companies when I was growing up. Now all these companies are privately held. They own their own companies. That was the whole point of buybacks. Remember, buybacks did not become legal until Reagan was in office. They were illegal because there's no way you can buy your own stock. That means you can play both sides. Same way if you own a stock and then you're hedging against it. You can play both sides. It's a casino. Don't ever forget that. Remember, I teach you. The house always wins. You will never beat these guys. But if you watch what they do, you'll make money along with them. But that's all I have for you. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget I have the book Cryptoteacher on Amazon. Also, you can go to btcteacher.com and also get the book. Also learn about crypto and the next moves. And then I also have at the bottom Binance, Bitrue, and Coinbase for your cryptos. And then I have Robinhood for your stocks. Remember, everything is going to have a chip in it. Also, cobalt, which creates these electricity batteries. That mineral is going to be huge, just like coltan when cell phones came out. It's going to be huge. But y'all have a great day.